Hi, I'm April with WTI.
Guys, the rumors are true. The best time to treat and hydrate is overnight. I enjoy putting on my favorite lotion and sliding into these super comfortable gloves by Flora for Good. Made with 100% breathable cotton, these gloves protect my hands and help to restore that moisture barrier overnight, giving a whole new meaning to beauty sleep. The fit is absolutely perfect, and with just the right thickness, these gloves are built to last. I love this elastic wristband. It is so wonderful to help keep them on all night long. I appreciate that not only are they reusable, but that they also came with this very well-built laundry bag to help keep them safe in the wash. Pamper yourself with the premium care of these wonderful moisturizing gloves as a new addition to your nightly routine, and wake up to beautifully hydrated and softer hands. These gloves would be a great at-home spa experience for yourself or your loved ones, but that's just my point of view.